Savannah.
Huh?
Hello.
Hello.
So what are we doing today?
Today, I'm gonna pour this one into the mortar.
No, we're going to make lava lamps.
Yeah.
Okay, so first I've got some water, vegetable oil, we've got a vase, we've got some aspirin, dye colour and some glitter to make it pretty. So what I'll do is I'll get everything set up and then we can start getting ready for the lava lamp. You ready?
Yeah.
The oil, put it in there. I've just used vegetable oil. So fill that all up. Ooh, spilling. Okay.
Oh
Right, now watch what happens when I put the water in.
Oh my god!
Okay. Okay, have you seen? The water and the oil are separated now. Yeah? So get the colour, get your food colouring. You're going to do blue. Oh, wow. See what happens? Where is it going?
In there.
It's going to sat at the bottom. See?
Yes.
And what colour is that?
This is orange.
Orange, yeah. Oh. Okay, now watch. Watch how it goes down. And it's just going to sit there and it's going to go right down.
Oh my god.
You see? And it's exploded down the bottom. Amazing.
Oh! Can I take that?
Yeah, you can put some glitter in now to make it look pretty. Can you see all the colours mixing together?
Yeah.
Okay, now watch. Now watch. It's like a lava. See what's happening? Isn't it amazing? Look, it's becoming a lava lamp. What's happening, Savannah?
I don't know.
Is it going into a lava lamp? Is it all pushing up? Do you want to put more in?
Yeah.
Go and put a little bit more in. Not all of it, just a little bit.
Just put these.
Yeah. Oh wow, that's enough. That's enough. Okay, stop now. And do you see that all the colours are going up and all the oil is going up and make it into a lava lamp?
Yeah.
Can you see it going up and down?
Yeah. Can I choose more?
Yeah, look at it. Look what's happening.
Yeah.
Is it lava?
Yeah. Can I put it on?
Oh wow, it's going to go up.
Yeah. Can I put it on the floor?
No, that's where we've got the tray.
Why?
Because the tray protects it, so if it goes everywhere, it will go in the tray.
Can I do it last night?
Yeah, it's amazing, isn't it?